Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So I am back with Funky Online. Yay! It took me a long time, but in the last video I am playing Project Gunpei. Um, yeah. Yeah. I'm waiting for this one. So, see you guys there in a minute, I think. Okay, I'm back. Wait, never mind. Sorry. Okay, I am back. Yay! Yay! Freaking out. Yay! 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 Oh, I got news. Let's see the news today. Okay, the game has ended. It's time to name the winners of our New Year quest. Get all the info. Get all the info. Tanker issue 30 of Tanky on the newspaper is out. Technical guides, information, stats, fun and games. It has it all. Check out the latest issue here. Oh, I hate that. We got a friend request, I think. Oh wait, never mind. Let's see. I'm already Master Sergeant. Come on. Okay. So, good news, I got M1 Mammoth because in the few videos I don't have Mammoth yet, and someone told me that I told them that I got a bunch of like 3,226, and I didn't realize that someone told me that the payment of the M1 Mammoth cost is 3,200, and I bought it, and ping, I got it. Yay! Yay! Thanks to someone. So, this is gonna be so great. Okay. See you guys there in a minute in the battle. I am back. Okay, who's in the battle? Hello. Oh wait, I'm pressing wrong buttons. I got a new weapon. So I almost ranked up. I don't know what next rank it is. I think I'm forgetting this. By the way, if it's wise, there is it is Happy New Year map. It will let you reach until that Chaos M1. Lol. Hey, I coming you look yummy. I got M1 Mammoth. Yay, and I'm kinda slow. Lol. I think he likes yummy things. Now you can't find me. Okay, oh, there's a guy. Oh shoot, I need to get away from that guy. I am the vampire. Oh. Just a minute, guys. Oh, just a minute, guys. Okay, I'm back. Okay, sorry about that. So, it is loading again. So, see you guys in a minute. I'm back. No, I'm just kidding. It's still loading. This is taking so long. Finally. Twins is the fastest. Oh wait, not that. Wow. Okay, never mind. I changed my mind. Here I come. Oh wait. Here's my friend already. Ah, he has accept. Okay. Follow the target. You come from there, easy. Easy gonna come from there. Hello, I'm the fastest. Okay, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, where did that guy go now? Polygon, polygon, polygon. I hate that guy. Okay, I think that real deathmatch parkour. Okay, so I'm going to with my friends. So goodbye. Okay, I'm back. Oh look, my friend is in here. I'm allowed to play. Sorry about that. There you go. Hi, Lucas. That guy got... Wait, what? I'm confused. Sorry about that. How much he... Um... Oh, sorry. We won, got... Yeah! First get... Oh, hello. 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 Huh? You're too weak. Oh. They got stronger rules. Sorry about that. Okay, hooks. Okay, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.